everyone. Today in this channel, I will discuss the transformation of blockchain technology into the education industry, particularly influencing and changing academic records. Basically, the education industry is defined as an academic record to provide learning, training, and research. Every year, schools and universities hold lots of transcripts, diplomas, and certificates. These documents are necessary for students' career and future studies. On the other hand, these massive records are stored in centralized databases, which are managed by institutions. So, I will go through these three keys apart how blockchain works in education, and is compared to traditional record system, and what the challenges and field development we might see. Because the old educational system works slow, intelligent, and risky, it exists many problems such as fake degrees, data loss, and self-verification often makes the process frustrating for students and employers. Consequently, blockchain technology brings a new solution. It provides a secure, transparent, and decentralized way to record and verify credentials. Students and institutions can access ethical record by using blockchain and not worry about manipulation and frauds. Another beneficial aspect of blockchain is to support the green digital transformation. It reduces the usage of paper and physical documentation, which makes the system more sustainable. Consequently, the significance is to keep a student academic record safe and accurate. Students' transcript and certificate represent all the time and effort which has been put in. At the same time, universities and teachers also want a robust system to protect their academic credibility. Blockchain is a decentralized record system that stores information through a network of a computer. The implementation of blockchain is when a new piece of data is added and must be verified by several nodes before coming in a permanent record. Once confirmed, it cannot be changed or deleted. In education, this means schools and universities can issue digital certificates and transcripts that are stored safely on the blockchain. When students graduate, their credential can be shared online individually and verified instantly by employers or other institutions. This topical innovation creates a secure and efficient way to manage academic information. It builds trust and convenience for both students and institutions. It also saves time and reduces the risks of fraud. For example, the University of Melbourne launched a project where graduates receive blockchain-based digital diplomas. It has allowed students to share and control their digital certificate right from their phones. Another example comes from Europe. The European Blockchain Service Infrastructure, or EEBSI, is building a cross-border blockchain network for education. It allows universities across different countries to issue and verify credentials in a standardized, secure way. This makes study and working across Europe much easier for graduates. This real-life example shows blockchain is not just an idea, it's already being applied in a powerful way to make education more aggressive. And then, let's look at how blockchain differs from the traditional record system. The traditional system has problems of data loss, human error, and fake credentials. It uses centralized databases to get information, which identify verification process is slow, and students need to wait for official letters or content office to confirm their degrees, especially unsatisfactory to international students. In contrast, blockchain uses a decentralized network. There's no single institution that has power to control everything. Instead, all data is shared across many computers and verified by the network itself. This systematic operations make it more transparent, secure, and student-centered. Students can directly manage who see their records, while employers can verify qualifications instantly without waiting and apply. It also decreases the cost for universities for more unnecessary extra step. In short, blockchain turns record verification into a faster, safer, and more reliable process for everyone involved. On a larger scale, it also helps government organizations prevent fraud. For example, fake university and diploma scams are still major issues in many countries. With blockchain, every credential can be tracked back to actual institutions, making it almost impossible to fake qualifications. As education becomes more globalized, blockchain could help simplify international admission, reduce time spent verifying degrees within countries. It might even support recognitions and micro-credentials, such as short courses or professional badges, which are becoming more popular in digital learning. There are several steps on how schools and universities can use the blockchain. Firstly, The institutions design a system that connects the current student database to a blockchain platform. Secondly, it is started to issue digital credentials, which could be degrees, transcripts, or certificates. Third, employees of other universities can use blockchain tools to verify credentials quickly and securely, without directly contacting the issuing institution. Finally, students access and share their verified record anytime and where through decentralized access. This gives them real control over their own academic identity. However, there are still few challenges. The first one is higher cost. If a university builds blockchain systems, they require both money and technical knowledge. The second challenge is privacy. Even if blockchain is an intelligent technology, schools also need to make sure student personal data is protected. The third challenge is digital inequality. Not all schools and students have equal access to digital infrastructures or the internet. Blockchain in education will only success if the university and managers work together to build an ethical and inclusive system. On the other hand, the success of the future depends on one important thing, its ethical design. Education must always prioritize fairness, consent, and data privacy. Technology should make learning more open and accessible, no more exclusive. On the bright side, blockchain can also empower students globally. Imagine a world where all your learning achievements from schools to online courses are stored in one permanent, verifiable digital record. This record also travels with you anywhere, helping employers instantly recognize your skills and qualifications. Looking to the future, blockchain could become part of global network for academic record. Students could keep all their achievements from high school to university, and may also connect with artificial intelligence or digital identity system, helping employers recognize skills automatically and supporting personalized education. Still, we must pay attention to ethics, including data ownership, consent, and equal access to technologies. These are key to making sure digital education stays fair and trustworthy. To sum up, blockchain is changing how education works behind the scenes. It's making academic records more secure, transparent, and extensible. Thanks for listening to my podcast today. I hope the episode helped you understand how blockchain technology is reshaping the education industry.